Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by pinpointing how your Mobile Legends account was bound. This guides the recovery path. Once done, open the game and find your UID and server, write them down. Make sure to gather proof, purchase receipts, screenshots of profile or match history, and any linked email addresses. Then, check whether the account used a guest login. If so, prepare a clear explanation. These preparatory facts speed support verification and prevent delays when you submit your recovery request. Next, you'll create a detailed support ticket inside the game or via the Moonton Account Center. This is the main execution step. When writing your message, include UID, server, device model, operating system version, and the precise dates of last login or purchases. Attach screenshots and receipts. These validate ownership. Be concise but thorough. State when access was lost, what you tried already, and the recovery email you want linked. This clarity lets support verify you faster and reduces back and forth. Finally, follow the support reply closely. You may need to confirm identity and approve account changes. Once verified, immediately rebind the game to a permanent login, Moonton account, Facebook, Google, or Apple, and enable two-factor protection where possible. After rebind, check inventory and restore purchases if needed. If recovery stalls, remain polite, resend any missing receipts, escalate through the support form or email, and allow 3 to 7 days for processing. One troubleshooting tip: if you used a guest account, receipts and exact timestamps are often decisive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.